4 fun idioms you should know.
Idiom 1. Hit the nail on the head. To be exactly right about something. When Sarah said that we need more time, she really hit the nail on the head. Idiom 2. Let the cat out of the bag. To accidentally reveal a secret. Emily let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Idiom 3. Caught red-handed. To be caught in the act of doing something wrong or illegal. The thief was caught red-handed by the police. Idiom 4. Get cold feet. To become nervous or afraid to do something that was planned. She got cold feet just before the wedding and called it off. Now you know 4 cool idioms. Can you use them in a sentence?